Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're breaking down the EU's Payment Services Directive 2, also known as PSD2.
Yeah, that's because of a huge shift in European payment rules that really changed how we all bank.
So, PSD2 actually replaced an older directive, and it's what created the whole framework for open banking.
It didn't happen all at once. The rollout was staged, with the biggest changes hitting by the end of 2020.
So, who does this affect? Well, pretty much everyone in payments, from big banks to the newest fintechs.
And this gets us back to that first question, that extra step. It's called Strong Customer Authentication, or SCA.
SCA just means you have to use at least two of these different things to prove it's really you. There's also dynamic linking, so a code you get for one payment can't be used for another one. But you don't have to do this every single time. There are smart exemptions for small, low-risk payments.
Okay, so beyond just security, the real game changer with PSD2 was this huge push to open banking.
This created new kinds of companies, like ASISPs. They're the ones that let you see all your accounts in one app. And then you have PSPs, which let you pay online straight from your bank, no credit card needed.
So how do all these new players actually trust each other? Well, it all boils down to secure digital IDs. And the answer is a special kind of digital certificate called a QWAC, which is required by regulation. These aren't just any old certificates. They hold key data that proves who a provider is and what they can do. Of course, the system is always evolving, especially when it comes to fighting new kinds of payment fraud.
A big step here is verification of payee. It just checks if the name and account number actually match up.
And this isn't the end of the road. Regulators are already planning for what's next in European payments.
Yup, back in 2023, they dropped proposals for what's next, PSD3 and a new Payment Services Regulation.
Think of these updates as more of an evolution, not a revolution. It's all about refining what we have now.
So this all leaves us with one big question. Is your bank account turning into the ultimate open platform?